Thank you very much. We have come to the end. Don't fucking boo, it's Friday night in Manchester. There's fucking all sorts of shit to go through here later on. Fucking hell. But before we go, would you like to give it up for, on the bass guitar, from fucking Liverpool? From Liverpool. It's the Russell Pritchard. On the drums, also from fucking Liverpool. One and only Mr. Chris Sharrock. On the electric guitars, also from fucking Liverpool, Mr. Gavin, right there. On the keyboard, he's just bought a fucking house in Liverpool, this guy. In Liverpool! Mr. Mike Rowe. Unbelievable. Fucking unbelievable. At the back, from Merseyside. Merseyside? Saxophone Steve. On the trumpet, his name's Millwall Joe. His fucking man's from Liverpool! Millwall Joe. On the trombone, this is no word of a fucking lie. He's a fucking Liverpool fan. He's not even from fucking Liverpool. He's from down south somewhere. Fucking unbelievable. The shit I have to work with. That's Alistair McAllister. Now I'm gonna dedicate the last song to my two boys, Donovan and Sonny. We're gonna do a song by the Beatles, who are from, that's right, London. Yeah, fucking London. They knew what they were fucking doing. Have a great weekend. We will see you somewhere down the road. You've been amazing, as always. Thank you very much. Good night. Thank you very much. Good night. He's from fucking Liverpool. From Liverpool. He's from fucking Liverpool.